In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot starting blocks for the company type. Let's jump right into it by guiding you through each step. First things first, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. HubSpot is a comprehensive platform designed to support your business needs with its abundance of useful software tools. So, fire up your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you've reached the homepage, you'll notice a prominent login button typically located at the top right corner. Click on this button to proceed. Logging in is an essential step as it grants you access to your personalized HubSpot interface where you can manage and track various aspects of your business operations. After logging in, you'll arrive at your HubSpot home. The home screen is a great starting point as it contains all your main navigation options and gives an overview of your different business tools. Familiarize yourself with this area because it's where you'll often initiate many of your tasks and processes within HubSpot. Next, you'll want to click on CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management and is a crucial tool within HubSpot that helps you manage all your company's relationships and interactions with both current and potential customers. By clicking on CRM, you enter into a more focused environment to handle customer-related information. Once inside the CRM section, look for the Companies tab and click on it. The Companies section is the area where you can access all the businesses that your company is interacting with. It's like your little black book for company relationships, helping you to organize and keep track of important data regarding each one. Now it's time to select a company from the list that you're interested in working with or editing. When you enter the companies area, you will be greeted with a list of all the companies you've added into HubSpot. Browse through this list and locate the company that you want to configure. Having selected a company, take a look at the interface. Here you need to click on the client type option. This section is particularly valuable because categorizing the client type helps in segmenting and personalizing the approach to different companies. It's about pigeonholing clients into categories that make strategic sense for how you engage with them further down the line. Following these steps, you'll have successfully set up your company type starting blocks in HubSpot. Each step we covered today aids in crafting a customized client management approach, allowing for more efficient business processes and better relationship management. Thank you for spending some time with us today to learn about HubSpot starting blocks. Be sure to check out more of our videos for other useful tips and tricks. Bye for now.